In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent, respected chairperson, honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to express my views on the topic children should be allowed to play video games. I believe that playing video games makes children smart. The era of video games started from Atari, Nintendo, and Sega to today's modern games like Xbox, PS5, and VR games of many types. As I am in favor of the topic that children should be allowed to play video games. No doubt excessive video gaming must not be allowed, but it should be allowed with a restricted frame of time. The games which should be allowed to play include analytical games like StarCraft, puzzle games, learning games, mind games, for example, crosswords. Well, in addition to this, there are many benefits of healthy video gaming like video games prepare our mind to make decisions faster, they improve our imagination, playing video games enhances our memory, playing video games success and execution of more tasks faster. Some games promote teamwork. Playing video games also helps us in building the strategy and leadership capabilities. Moreover, I would like to conclude. My opinion, children should be allowed to play video games in moderation, which will help them develop educationally, socially, and physically. Parents must approve healthy and positive games which supervise screen time. Thank you for listening to my views patiently. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Han Faisal and I am in grade 2. I hold a different opinion about children should be allowed to play video games. Yes, children should be allowed to play video games, but at a fixed time. Instead, they should do physical activities like football, badminton, and cricket. By playing a lot of video games, once the create damage to our eyesight, and then we will get weaker and weaker day by day. Also, it will result in mental and physical illness. At the end, I would like to say that every children have fixed time to play video games. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ibrahim. Respected teachers, yes, it is very important topic because video games can improve our learning, health, and social skills. Those who don't play video games become lazy and harm their brain. It can improve our mood, promote relaxation, and reduce our stress. Video games may also boost the reading skills of children. So, respected teachers, I am in favor of my topic, which is children should be allowed to play video games. Thank you so much. Honorable judges, respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellow students. Good morning. My name is Isa. I would like to speak in favor of playing video games. Video games have built-in programs. They respond according to the user's action through the controllers. This gives satisfaction and happiness that we are not alone. My dear opponents, my advice to you is to better play video games, to learn how to control your emotions whether you win or lose. Let me tell you benefits of playing video games. These play will help you in boosting reading, building problem-solving skills, making new friends, build imagination, ultimately adopting the video games career. I tell you honestly that by playing video games, I would become the fearless hero going on adventures, taking on challenges, build ultimately pass or winning. So, my dear fellows, if you need to relax, improve your mood, and want to chill can play video games like football, Attack on Titan, Free Fire and many more. Thank you. Respected principal, teacher and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Abdul Rafa from grade 1 to live. Today I am going to speak about children should be allowed to play video games. Yes, children should play video games. There is a research that shows the benefits to play video games. It makes a healthy brain. Video games can improve children's learning, health and social skills. It introduces your child to computer technology and the online world. Playing video games also improves kids' hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills that they need in future. Thank you. Big man and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. So my friend, yes, we should be allowed to play video games for limited time spent in our parents' guidance. My dear friends, video games really play games with the help of controller and touch screen. It is an indoor game we can play on mobile, iPad, TV, etc. Such as FIFA 16 and GTA 5 and many more. Playing video games can be used in many ways. It can strengthen child's mental skills, it improves child's reading skills, and speed of response time. It chance to think in 3D ways. I would like to end my debate by saying that children should be allowed to play video games. Thank you. Respected teachers, honorable judges and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my debate is children should be allowed to play video games. Playing video games is a popular activity people do in their free time. Both children and adults enjoy playing video games. Although they can have major effects on health, they can improve children's learning and social skills. Video games are cool for helping children develop problem-solving skills. They can improve capacity to think in three-dimensional ways. Video games have a range of benefits. Playing simple games can improve your mood, promote relaxation, and reduce anxiety. Children can also learn to cope with losing in video games. Socialization is another benefit of video games. In our digital world, this is how a child can connect with their friends and meet new people with common interests. Everything within limits is good and same goes for video games. So, children should be allowed to play video games. Thank you.